Found a ROK file related to your Roku streaming device? This is an update file used to deploy firmware and channel updates to Roku hardware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these update files do and how to handle them. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky ROK errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. ROK files are update package files used by Roku streaming devices to deliver firmware updates, channel installations, and system patches. They contain compressed update payloads, digital signatures, verifying authenticity, and metadata describing the update contents and target Roku device models for proper installation. ROK update files use a Roku-specific format with cryptographic signatures preventing unauthorized modifications. The internal structure contains compressed firmware component system files, channel package data, and verification hashes, following Roku's secure update specification, ensuring only valid Roku-signed updates install on devices. Historically, the main tool for managing the ROK type has been Roku Digital Media Player devices by Roku Inc. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows typically shows only basic metadata, so reading the information requires proper software. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click the ROK file and select Open With. Try launching it using Roku Digital Media Player devices if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If you still can't open the ROK file, it's okay. The nature of the ROK format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, understanding ROK files. ROK files are typically delivered automatically through Roku's update servers and not meant for manual user installation. The Roku device downloads and applies these updates during scheduled update checks. Manual ROK file handling is generally only done by Roku developers or repair technicians with specialized equipment and knowledge. Next, examining contents. Use a hex editor like HXD to view the ROK file structure, but be aware that contents are typically encrypted and signed, preventing extraction without Roku's internal tools. Researchers studying Roku platforms have documented some structure details, but practical extraction requires Roku developer access not available to consumers. Finally, updating Roku devices. Connect your Roku to a stable internet connection and check for updates through Settings, then System Update. The device automatically downloads any available ROK update files and applies them. If updates fail, try restarting the device, checking network connectivity, or factory resetting through Settings, then System, then Advanced. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.